A man once read a tombstone that said, "Prepare for death and follow me." Someone replied, "To follow you, I'm not content until I know which way you went." And that is the question of life. The Bible declares in Hebrews 9:27, "It is appointed unto men once to die, but after this, the judgment." Death is not the end, it is the doorway to eternity. Jesus himself showed us in Luke 16:19-31 that beyond the grave there is conscious existence, either comfort or torment. And in John 5:28-29, all will rise, some to life, others to judgment. So how can we be certain? There are 4 certainties. First, destiny. Heaven and hell are real destinations. Second, reality. They are not imaginary, but actual states of existence. Third, eternity. They never end. Fourth, security. Once there, your condition cannot be changed. Life beyond the grave is not uncertain. The only uncertainty is where you will be, heaven or hell, joy or torment, life or judgment. You cannot choose heaven while rejecting Christ. Your eternity is settled by your response to Jesus. He said in John 11:25, "I am the resurrection and the life. He that believeth in me, though he were dead, yet shall he live." One day your heart will beat for the last time. Your eyes will close. Your body will lie silent. But you will not cease to exist. You will awaken somewhere, either in the glory of heaven or in the groaning of hell. So come to Jesus today.
When the silence falls and breath grows weak, when the shadows whisper, this is the end, still a fire burns deep in me, a hope that death cannot pretend, a hope that death cannot pretend. For every tear that falls in time is held within eternal hands. Beyond the grave there is a light, a risen dawn, no, no more night. Beyond the grave my soul will rise to see your face. Beyond the skies no fear can hold, no chain can bind. For death has lost and life I'll find. Beyond the grave I live again. Though the body returns to dust and the world forgets my name, still my spirit will rise and trust, for your promise will remain. For your promise will remain. The cross has sealed my destiny. The empty tomb has set me free. Beyond the grave there is a light, a risen dawn, no, no more night. Beyond the grave my soul will rise to see your face. Beyond the skies no fear can hold, no chain can bind. For death has lost and life I'll find. Beyond the grave I live again. Where, oh death, is now your sting? Where, oh grave, your victory? Jesus lives, my heart will sing. I am his for eternity. No more sorrow, no more pain, only joy that will remain. In his presence will stand, held forever in his hand. Beyond the grave I see the King and hear the saints and angels sing. Beyond the grave no more goodbye, only endless perfect life. This fragile flesh will fade away, but I will live in endless day. Beyond the grave I live again. Beyond the grave I'll see your face. Beyond the grave